Hello everyone. In digital media, safety is very important because the online scammers are oftenly happen. So every purchaser thinks about this online safety. In this video, we will see about is Shopify safe for online shopping. Shopify keeps its e-commerce platform. If you are using Shopify, you don't need to host any files anywhere. Everything inside is Shopify. You just need an account, that's all. You can start creating your store and start selling in few minutes. Maybe 15 or 30 minutes you can start selling. By keeping all the components and all the data inside of Shopify helps you to protect from white hat hackers for finding any security loopholes or bugs. So our data is very secure in Shopify. White hat means security related activities. So we don't worry about any security related activities. Shopify developed on SaaS platform. It's a self-hosted SaaS platform. It's the opposite to the open source platforms like WooCommerce, Magento, or lot of open source platforms available. It's the opposite to open source. Shopify runs on SaaS platform. SaaS gives you very less time to installation and start using. This is a very good one advantage by using SaaS. And also it's a lower cost. That's why Shopify included all the components. We will keep our data inside Shopify. All our website files, product images, descriptions, everything we will keep inside in Shopify only. We don't need any external hosting accounts. So our data is very secure and our customers feel very securely to purchase any products in our store. The second reason Shopify is safe because rolling out security updates instantly and simultaneously to all users. If you are a seller in Shopify, Shopify makes one small update on the software. So it not takes any time or you don't need any additional work inside from your side. Those security updates will automatically run instantly. Not only to you, every Shopify owners don't need about anything update. For example, if you are using WordPress, we installed a e-commerce platform like WooCommerce. If WordPress update anything, we need to update our WooCommerce and the other related plugins. Here a security loophole happens. You can see that some lot of WordPress sites can hacked in this way. If you not updated the plugins regularly for your WordPress theme version, hacker can use your existing not updated old version plugin files. They can easily hack. But in Shopify that's not possible because Shopify owns all the data inside there. So we can just easily do our marketing works only. We will concentrate on the marketing side only. We don't worry about anything about our store security and other issues. The third point, Shopify provides you in-class risk analysis tools. We can find these risk analysis tools inside Shopify. From these tools, we can find high risk orders. It helps to avoid potential chargebacks. From the order history, Shopify can classify that particular order is a high risk. It will show in our dashboard. So we can avoid that particular order. So these advantages are available in Shopify. As per the customer point of view, the Shopify is 100% risk-free and it's very safe. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any questions, just post in the comment box. I will see you in next video. Until then, thank you. Bye.